So you want to trade Forex? Let me show you the connection between the broker account, the trading account, and the trading platform. So this is you. And then the first thing you need to do is to create an account with any broker of your choice. Please do work with my recommended broker. And then the next thing you need to do is to download the trading application. Download trading application MT4, MT5. Okay, download from Play Store. Now take note that your broker account can help you create your profile, do your KYC, verify that account, and then the broker account can help you make a deposit and also do withdrawal. The last thing you can do with the broker account is to create and manage trading accounts. Yes, trading accounts. You can create more than one. When you create the first one, you can connect it to the trading platform MT4, MT5. Okay, create another one, create another one. So you can create more than one trading account. A trading account needs to be connected to a trading platform. Without a trading platform, you cannot trade on your trading account. Now that you are learning Forex, you will need to place a trade. But you can't trade either on real account or demo account. Yes, you can create a real account and create a demo account, but you can't trade on them without a trading platform. So you need a trading platform. Okay? The trading platform connects your finger to liquidity. It also shows you past market price and also show you price in real time. The trading platform is also a tool that you can use to trade. It also has a lot of tools to help you as a trader. Some of the trading platform include Ninja Trader. Okay, we also have another one called Think or Swim. Okay, we have another trading platform called Ciago. We have another one called Pro Real Time Trading. We have the C Trader. Okay, but we're not going to be trading with these ones for now. We are going to be trading with Mentor Trader 4, Mentor Trader 5, and also with TradingView. So in this training, I'm going to be teaching you how to work with MT4, MT5, and TradingView. Okay?